Click on the link below to get price. The RAREELECTRICAL new 12V 50A Alternator Generator is designed for compatibility with case 770 and 780 models, offering a reliable power solution for those operating these agricultural machines. This product aims to provide a dependable source of electrical energy, which is crucial for the smooth operation of various vehicle systems. At first glance, the alternator generator stands out due to its robust build and practical design. It features a 12-volt output with a 50-amp capacity, making it suitable for a range of electrical needs within the specified vehicles. The manufacturer emphasizes quality and compatibility, ensuring that this alternator can seamlessly integrate into the electrical systems of the case tractors it is designed for. This compatibility is essential, as it minimizes the risk of electrical issues that can arise from using parts not suited for specific models. One of the notable features of this alternator generator is its durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, it is engineered to withstand the rigors of heavy use in agricultural environments. The generator is also designed to maintain a stable voltage output, which is vital for powering various equipment and accessories on the tractor, such as lights and electronic controls. In terms of usage, the RAREELECTRICAL Alternator Generator is intended for installation by individuals familiar with vehicle maintenance or by professional mechanics. The process generally involves disconnecting the old unit and replacing it with the new alternator, ensuring that all connections are secure. It is advisable to follow the manufacturer's instructions during installation to achieve optimal performance. Once installed, the generator should function effectively, providing the necessary power for the tractor's operations. In conclusion, the RAREELECTRICAL new 12V 50A Alternator Generator presents a practical solution for those in need of a reliable electrical source for their case 770 and 780 models. With its focus on quality construction and compatibility, this product seeks to meet the demands of agricultural work while ensuring that users can maintain their operations without interruption. Whether for routine tasks or more extensive agricultural activities, this alternator generator offers a straightforward option for enhancing the electrical capabilities of these tractors.